top skills and certifications to get hired as an AI engineer. So now the very first one going to be developing scalable generative AI solutions. So you need to have an experience to build scalable generative AI solutions. And the second one going to be hands-on coding experience using Python development. So you need to be very good with Python. You can be a 5-year experienced guy or a 10-year experienced guy. Having an hands-on experience on coding is mandatory right now. And the third one going to be you need to have an ability to analyze large amount of data and even to make or extract meaningful insights out of that data. And next one going to be you need to have an experience in taking the models to the production using LLM ops or ML ops, or we call it as an automated CI/CD pipeline. And you need to have an experience in deploying these models on a cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. And you need to have an experience in developing generative AI solutions using frameworks like LangChains, LangGraphs, Crew AI, Langsmith, and apart from it, building RAG architectures, building hybrid RAG architectures, and developing even multi-agent architecture. So this is very, very important for the right now. And next, you need to have the valid experience in your resume. And apart from the experience, you need to demonstrate your curiosity and fast learning ability in your projects. Now, in order to get hired, you learned all of these skills, it may not be sufficient. You need to do one thing. You must showcase experience in your resume, like a freelancing experience or a POC experience or a consulting experience or maybe a valid experience in your resume so that you are able to be get hired or even your resume going to be shortlisted. So in the world of AI, we are able to see a lot of fake resumes. We are able to see a lot of AI engineers, but how well you can stand out. The only way stand out is to showcase experience in your resume, like a POC, freelancing, consulting, or any internship experience in your resume. It is very, very important. And in case if you are worried about how exactly you want to build all of this at a job level, at an enterprise level, you can join my hands-on AI and machine learning course where exactly it's going to be a live classes where you get an opportunity to build an experience, to work on the live projects or to work on BPEC freelancing projects so that you are able to show them in your resume and you are able to easily get hired. So now what we do in BPEC is we are doing consulting to our clients. So you learn and you will be a part of our consulting project so that you can build experience. So in case if you want to reserve your seats, the links are in the description. Please, you can reach out our team.